Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to teach you how to get in and out of bed if you're suffering from lower back pain. Now we're going to go through two techniques. The first is the technique that you should use all the time, and the second technique is just to help you when your back pain is really severe. It's really important to get out of bed if you have back pain, particularly with an acute episode. So we know from really good research above that getting out of bed will help you recover your back pain much faster and heal much faster, as opposed to staying in bed. Maximum amount of time you should stay in bed really is about 2 days if you've got really severe back pain. Otherwise, getting out of bed will help you heal faster, and try to go about your regular activities if you can. So let's get going with our first technique, and this is going to be getting in and out of bed using the regular technique. So we're going to get out of bed. First step is to make yourself some space to roll towards. So you need to lift your bottom slightly away from the side you're rolling towards. That shouldn't hurt your back too much. Now, the next step is to roll like a log without twisting through your spine. To do that, bring your arm across your body, top, and roll like a log. You can see I didn't rotate through my spine. And then finally, push through your top arm and your elbow at the same time as you lower your legs over the side of the bed. So you're moving like a pendulum there. And that's your position. Just wait a few seconds and let your blood pressure level out before you then move into standing. Now, to get back into bed is exactly the reverse. You sit down, take your bottom back, bring your arms down to the side, and again, like a pendulum, all one movement, and the faster you do that, the better, if possible, and then roll back onto your back, lift your bottom to reposition, and that's the way you do that. You might need someone to help you lower your legs over the side, lift them back in, and that's fine. And the other little tip is to use a pillow between your legs as you're rolling, so then you can roll, and that might just help you stabilise your back a little bit more as you're getting over, up and out of the bed. So let's go into the second technique for getting in and out of bed with really severe back pain. This is a technique that I like to use with patients in practice. So what you do is you come side onto the bed. You want to be getting into the bed a surface that's as high as possible and firm, not too low. So side on to that bed or the surface, and I'm going to bring a cushion here so that I can actually lie onto. So when I bring my hips down, I don't have to extend back too far, and you'll see how that helps in just a moment. So basically what you're doing is you're bringing your arms forward onto the bed. You might need someone to help you lift the leg that's closest. See how you go. You're going to move down like a pendulum, hands on the bed, leg comes up, and then you can basically just lie down from that position. You can see how easy that was. Then you'll be able to roll off the cushion. You can see why I used a cushion and not a pillow. To get off, same thing, leg comes over the side, lower down, and try to push up at the same time. As you come back then, walk your hands back up into standing. So I made that look quite easy, didn't I? But if you use that principle of going onto your tummy and coming back off your tummy on a high bed, that can really help you as well. So when you're in that resting position and when you've laid down, you can see the video above to help you with resting positions that are really nice and comfortable and help you heal faster with your lower back. So we've talked about two techniques today. We've talked about the regular technique to use, and we've talked about technique to use with severe, moderate to severe lower back pain. And I really hope these techniques help you get in and out of bed if you're suffering from lower back pain at home. I'd love to hear how these go for you. If you'd like to leave me a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.